Good morning. We are just about to head out on another RV adventure. We are staying a little closer to home this weekend. We're only going down to the Washington coast, about an hour and a half drive, probably about 2 hours with traffic, to a place called Raymond. We're staying at a lavender farm tonight. Just about to set off. The weather's turned out pretty good. It was horrible yesterday, but looks like we're going to have pretty good weather today, so let's go. We just pulled into our campsite for the night. It's called Willapa Lavender Farm. It's in Raymond, Washington, and it's pretty cute. We found it through Harvest Hosts, and it's
our first Harvest Host nights.
First Harvest Host night, and we're just set up. Tim's over there drinking his rum slushy. And
thanks, Mom.
We're in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing around us, but there's trees everywhere and fields of lavender, which we're gonna walk through. And yeah, there's one other RV here. I think they have space for up to 4. I don't know whether there will be 4 here tonight. Hopefully not. But yeah, for a free campsite, it's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna go online and buy all my lavender products.
Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. We just woke up and had our breakfast. Jamie took Loki for a walk. We are camped at Willapa Valley Lavender Farm, and it was the first night that we've ever spent using our Harvest Hosts membership. It basically allows you, for a fee every year, basically allows you to camp at farms, wineries, vineyards, distilleries, some museums around the country, and you can stay there for free. It's expected that you purchase something from the small business that you're staying at, whether it be a bottle of wine or, like Jamie bought some beard balm and what else, bug spray from the lavender farm here. And it was really nice. It was quiet and peaceful. The lavender is in bloom in 3 of the 4 fields next to us here, and there's actually a wedding being set up there for today. And yeah, it was a nice night. The only thing is we didn't get to see the stars. It was too cloudy, and I was hoping we'd get to see the Perseids, which are starting this week. So hopefully tonight, when we're closer to the coast, we'll be able to see that, because Jamie brought his nice camera to take some nice photos of those if we can catch them on videos. Yep. That's about it. We're getting ready to pack up and
go pick up Tim's 30 bottles of wine from the winery.
I have 12 bottles of wine at Westport Winery waiting for me. We're going to go there and pick those up.
We're going to be driving home like this.
What does that mean?
Because you'll be weighed down by all the wine.
It's 12 bottles. Calm your tits.
That's a lot.
And yeah, so then we're going to go to the beach, let Loki play on the beach for a little while. He loves the water. He loves the ocean. So, oh, and a tractor's going. So yeah, that's our plans for today. Tonight we're going to camp again at another Harvest Host spot. We're going to Hoodsport over by Hood Canal. And I believe it's right along the water there, so that should be nice too. And we'll update you when we get there. Bye!
on the beach at Westport, and Loki's having the time of his life in the waves. And the water is really cold, and it's very windy, so you probably can't hear a word I'm saying, but Loki is having a blast. He's chasing the waves and then running away from them.
The waves are chasing him more like.
Earlier today we stopped at Westport Winery so that Tim could pick up his wine club wine bottles, and I discovered that since we were last there they have created their own distillery offshoot. It's called Ocean's Daughter Distillery, and they had a bunch of whiskeys, so of course I picked some up. I got a small of the maple chai flavored whiskey. It's got a cute bottle. And then I got a large of the vanilla brown sugar flavored whiskey. I'm really hoping that this one tastes like brown sugar bourbon, because that's my favorite. So I think tonight I'll be having a wee sample of these. We've just woken up from our second night at a Harvest Host. We spent the night at Westport Winery. It wasn't quite as nice as our first night, but it was still free. I got some raspberry ginger cider, and Tim got some wine. A bottle of Pinot Grigio. We've just woke up and walked down to the waterfront to take Loki for a walk. Unfortunately, he can't get in this water. The only beach access seems to be private, so he can look at it, but he can't swim in it. But it's a beautiful day, and now we're heading home.